Welcome to this installation guide for the Extreme Auto Vauxhall flip key replacement shell. In this video we'll show you how to disassemble your original key and assemble the new replacement housing. Start by locating the seam around your original key fob. Using a small flat screwdriver, carefully insert the tip into the gap and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key casing. Using the supplied pin punch tool, carefully push the roll pin out from the hinge of the key. Apply steady pressure until the pin begins to slide out. Once the pin has moved far enough through the hinge, it can be pulled out completely. At this stage, change the tip on the pin punch tool to the pressing head. This attachment will be used to reinstall the roll pin into the new key housing. If required, lightly file the edge of the original key blade. This helps ensure the blade fits smoothly into the new hinge housing. Using the pin punch tool, carefully press the roll pin back through the hinge to secure the blade in position. If needed, a small pair of pliers can also help push the pin fully into place. Continue pressing the pin until it sits evenly within the hinge. Place the flip key mechanism into one half of the new key shell. Position the spring into the locating point on the opposite side of the case. Align both halves and rotate anti-clockwise to preload the spring. Press the key shell closed until it clicks into place. Congratulations! Your key shell is ready to use. Remember to transfer your electronics if required.